Hi, I'm David Rubin, Director of Product Testing at thesleepdoctor.com. As you're probably aware, a good quality mattress that gives you the best night's sleep night after night can be quite an investment. And keeping that mattress clean and in tip-top shape is a great way to make sure that you're getting your money's worth. Cleaning your mattress, yes, cleaning your mattress, doesn't just get rid of stains and smells, but it can also extend the life of your bed. So let's get into the best ways to clean your mattress. So when it comes to cleaning your mattress, there's a few things that you'll want to keep in mind. First off, you'll want to avoid using liquid cleaners or water. Mattresses, and especially memory foam models, don't do well with moisture. If a mattress isn't allowed to fully dry, that moisture can actually break down the materials it's made of and promote mold growth. When it comes to stains, and we'll get to those, you may need to use a small amount of vinegar, but in general, vacuuming your mattress regularly should be all you need for general cleaning. When vacuuming your mattress, start by removing any bedding, including your mattress protector if you use one. Then, run your vacuum, not only on the top surface of the mattress, but along all edges and sides as well. Now let's face it, especially if you're a bit of a hot sleeper, smells and odors can get trapped in your mattress over time. When that happens, all you need to do is reach into your pantry and grab some baking soda. Yes, you heard me right, the same stuff you put in cookies. Simply sprinkle some baking soda over the affected area and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If you're dealing with removing a strong odor, you may need to leave the baking soda on for longer, even up to a few hours. But once you've let it sit for a while, just vacuum up the baking soda and your mattress should be smell-free. And don't worry, if you're still smelling some residual odor, you can repeat this process as many times as necessary without any harm. There's no hard and fast rule for how often you need to do this, but if you notice a smell, then that should be your cue to break out the baking soda. Now, what about stains? Well, for fresh liquid stains, like, say, spilling a bit of coffee while you're changing your sheets, you'll want to absorb as much of the liquid as possible, as soon as possible, with a towel. The key thing here is that you want to dab at the stain and not try to rub it with the towel. Rubbing can work to spread the stain around the surface of the mattress, leaving you an even bigger mess to clean up. Once the towels can't absorb any more liquid, use a spray bottle filled with vinegar to lightly mist the stain. Make sure to just use a small misting so that no moisture gets trapped in the mattress. Then, use a separate fresh, clean towel to absorb the vinegar and dust the area with baking soda for no longer than 8 hours. And just like for odors, go ahead and vacuum up that baking soda when you're done. For older or tougher stains, you may have to add a bit of detergent to the mix. In a spray bottle, combine 1 part mild detergent with 2 parts water. Then, shake the bottle until the mixture is combined and lightly mist the stained area. Using a clean towel, gently scrub at the stain in a circular motion until it has been removed. Once you're done, lightly dampen another clean towel and repeat that circular scrubbing motion to sop up any cleaning solution. To finish, press a dry towel to the area to absorb any excess moisture and leave the mattress to air dry. Cleaning your mattress is an essential part of keeping your whole sleep system in peak performance. And if you want to prevent any stains or smells before they happen, consider adding a mattress protector to your sleep setup. Head on over to thesleepdoctor.com to see some of our favorites. That's it for this one, everyone. Thanks for watching and have a good night.